Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ollie and today we're at West Coast Fitness and we've got a leg workout. For this workout, you'll need yourself a kettlebell or some sort of weight. You can use a bag of weights, whatever you need to, but get ready, let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with a warm-up. So the warm-up is going to be 3 exercises. We've got jog, squat and lunges, okay? So we're going to be doing 20 seconds on each exercise and we're going to go for 2 rounds. So it's 20-second jog, 20-second squat, 20-second lunge. Are you ready? Let's go.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you.
Okay guys, so warm up done, we're just going to do some stretches now. Let's go.
And him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Okay guys, so the first workout of the day is going to be 2 exercises. Okay, this is going to be a superset. So a superset is 2 exercises back to back without the rest in between. And the exercise is going to be a wall sit and kettlebell squat. So if you haven't got a kettlebell, don't worry too much. As I said, you can either do it body weight or you can use anything you've got, some sort of weight, a bag full of weights, you name it, okay? So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of the exercises. First off, we've got wall sit. So with the wall sit, you want to make sure you got a nice flat wall. Okay, you're going to put your back flat against the wall and then squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Make sure you've got a nice right angle from your knees, okay, and then just sit in this position. Stay there, try to push all your weight on your heels rather than your toes, and then just hold that position. We're going to be holding this for about 20 seconds, guys. Then we're going to jump up. As soon as you've done that, and you're going to do kettlebell squats. So kettlebell squat, holding the weight, bend your legs, and repeat. Kettlebell squat. Okay guys, so do your best for this workout guys. It is 20 seconds wall sit and then we've got 12 kettlebell squats. We're going to repeat this for 3 rounds. After each round you're going to get about a 30-second break, okay? Let's smash it guys.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leads. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the
Okay, so that is round 1 done, guys. Really good effort so far. So making sure when you're in the wall sit position, yeah, you're making sure that you're pushing all your weight into your heels. But don't let your heels lift off the ground, because if you do that, 1, you're going to hurt your toes, and 2, you're not going to get the best workout for the wall sit, okay? So, and then also, same on the goblet squats or the kettlebell squats. When you're going down, yeah, really sit back on those heels. Don't let your heels lift off the ground, and then drive from the floor and push up, okay? So, same again, round 2 this time. Do your best, smash it, guys. If you're really struggling and you can't manage the full 12 reps, just do your best. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so that's round 2 done, guys. Really good effort. So by now your legs are starting to be feeling a bit warmer and a bit burny, okay? Especially on the wall sit, yeah, they start to really burn. So you've got a 30-second break now. So if you've got a drink, grab one, yeah, and then get ready for round 3. So this is gonna be the last round. Same again, concentrate on keeping your heels down. Do the best you can possibly do, all right? As I said, if you're really, really struggling, just reduce the reps down a little bit or take the weight away if you're using a kettlebell or some sort of weight, all right? But last one, are you ready? Let's smash it, guys.
Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're gonna run till the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
Okay, guys, so that is the first exercise done, okay? So give yourself a drink, have a little breather, and then next exercise we've got is another superset. This time is straight leg deadlifts with the kettlebells, and then we've got walking lunges, okay? So with this, guys, as I said, if you haven't got a weight on this one, do your best to try and get the same activation in your glutes and hamstrings, okay? But I'm gonna show you the exercises now, all right? And then we'll go from there. So with the straight leg deadlift, guys, what you want to do is a slight bend in your legs. I know it sounds silly because you've got a straight leg deadlift, but this is an athletic leg and it's reasonably straight. So from there, stick your bum out, keep your chest up, back straight, grab your weight. From there, you're going to come up, squeeze, push your glutes forwards, all right, push your hips forwards, and reach back down. Making sure you keep your back as straight as possible, and repeat. You're going to do 12 reps. Then you're going to put one weight down. After you've done 12 straight leg deadlifts, you're going to do walking lunges. So 1 and then 2, okay? Repeat for 12, 6 on each leg. So as I said, this exercise, guys, technique is important. If you find that when you're doing the deadlifts, your lower back starts to hurt at all, okay? 1, you need to make sure you're keeping it straight, and 2, if it starts to ache, all right, just take the weight away, concentrate on the technique, try and get that down first, all right? But other than that, if you got it, guys, smash it. Okay guys, so that's round 1 done of this workout. So basically with this, guys, making sure when you're on the straight leg deadlifts, as I said, don't lock your legs. So what I mean by that is don't let your leg completely lock out. Make sure there's a slight bend in your knee, okay? Otherwise, what you're gonna do is put a lot of pressure on your joints, and you don't wanna do that, all right? Same with the lunges. When you're going down, guys, don't go all the way down because you don't wanna smash your knee on the floor. You wanna keep it just off the floor if you can. And when you're coming back up, keep your back straight, head up, and all that good stuff. Right, so that was round one. We've got round two now. Get ready, let's smash it.
Got a feeling that I let you slip away, and maybe I can say this out. Could I be so stupid? Yeah, I feel so useless. You deserve better than this, and I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the...
Awesome job so far, guys. So that is round two done of the lunges and the straight leg deadlifts. Okay, so do your best on the last round now. As I said, it's starting to, your legs probably getting a bit tired and it's starting to get a bit sore, but the main thing is just try and keep working through it. Okay, give yourself a little bit more rest if you need it. Okay, I'm giving you 30 seconds, but if you need a little bit more, obviously take it when you need it, okay? So last round then, as I said, really concentrate on keeping those legs reasonably straight, let slight bend, all right? Back straight, chest up, and then reach down as far as you can, and then feel the stretch in the backs of your legs, okay? Are you ready for the last round, guys? Let's smash it.
Stars, give me one more chance, my love. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance.
Okay, so that is round three done of those exercises. Right, next then we have a little weird exercise now. It's called kettlebell side walks, okay? So I'm just gonna give you a quick example of the side walks. It's better to just show you instead of describe it, all right? So, holding your kettlebell, guys, what you're gonna do, okay, is start in a squat position. You're gonna take a step and keep that half squat position the whole time, all right? You're gonna go 6 one way, okay? And then you're gonna go 6 back. Now this is gonna burn like crazy, especially towards the end. So do the best you can do to keep your legs bent, all right? As I said, it's gonna burn and it's gonna be tough, but this is the last exercise we've gotta do with this workout, guys. So really, really smash it, okay? As I said, it's gonna be 6 one way, 6 back, 30-second break, repeat, 3 rounds, okay? Let's go, guys.
I promise I'll try. Try to make you happy, be the best I can be. Oh, 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 oh. I'll do everything for you, ain't nothing that I...
Okay, so round one done, guys, yeah, and that burn's done, it's crazy. All you gotta do is stay in that low squat position, okay? You can come up a little bit, shake your legs off if you need to, and then carry on. But as I said, try and stay down for the full 12 reps, yeah, so 6 one way, 6 back. Oh. Okay, so do your best. So you've got 2 more rounds of this, guys. Really, really focus on getting low and keeping all the weight on your heels. Yeah, it's important to make sure that the weight stays on your heels. I know as you're moving, it's gonna be hard because you're shifting all your weight, but try and keep it back on your heels, keep your bum down, back straight, okay? Really good effort. Round 2, let's go.
You deserve better than this. And I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms.
Okay, guys, good effort. So that's round 2 done. So you've got 1 more round, so you've got another 30-second break. Really, really good effort so far, all right? So I know your legs are probably on fire, okay? Just shake them off. As I said, if you need to extend your rest, have a little bit longer, that's fine, all right? Or reduce the weight if that's what you want to do. Okay, so you've got last round, and then we're going to stretch off and we're finished. So are you ready, guys? Let's smash this last round, okay? Make sure when you're holding the weight, you're keeping it nice close to your body and your back straight, heels down, okay? Last one, let's go.
I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love.
Okay guys, so that is the workout done, so we're going to stretch off now. So feet together then, touch your toes, and hold it there. Good effort guys, so that is the workout done guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give the video a thumbs up, and also if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, leave a comment guys if you want to see more videos. Yeah, give me suggestions what kind of videos you want to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.